One jasmine vine in bloom can turn an ordinary backyard into a living perfume garden. You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. If you are dreaming of stepping outside on a warm evening and being surrounded by sweet, relaxing fragrance, jasmine is the plant that makes it happen. Loved for its delicate white or yellow blooms and unforgettable scent, jasmine is one of the most rewarding flowering vines and shrubs you can grow in the USA. Whether you live in California, Texas, Florida, or even cooler northern states where jasmine grows in containers, this plant can thrive beautifully with the right care. Jasmine is known for its elegant growth habit. Some varieties grow as climbing vines, while others grow as compact shrubs. Regardless of type, the key to success lies in understanding its basic needs: bright light, proper watering, good drainage, and thoughtful pruning. When these needs are met, jasmine rewards you with lush green foliage and waves of fragrant flowers. The first step in growing healthy jasmine is choosing the right location. Light plays a critical role in flower production. Most jasmine varieties prefer full sun to partial shade. Ideally, your plant should receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. In hotter southern states, light afternoon shade can protect the plant from extreme heat stress. In cooler northern regions, full sun is best to encourage maximum blooms. Temperature is equally important. Jasmine thrives in warm climates and grows best when temperatures remain between 60° F and 85° F. In USDA warmer zones, it can grow outdoors year-round. In colder climates where winters drop below freezing, jasmine should be grown in containers and brought indoors before frost. It does not tolerate heavy frost well, so protection during cold months is essential. Soil preparation sets the foundation for long-term success. Jasmine prefers well-draining soil that is slightly rich in organic matter. Heavy clay soil can trap water around roots, leading to rot. To improve drainage, mix compost and sand into garden soil before planting. For container-grown jasmine, use a high-quality potting mix that allows excess water to drain easily. When planting jasmine in the ground, dig a hole slightly wider than the root ball. Place the plant carefully, backfill with soil, and press gently to remove air pockets. Water thoroughly after planting to help roots settle. If growing a climbing variety, install a trellis, fence, or support structure at planting time so the vine can grow upward naturally. Correct watering routine is one of the most important factors for healthy jasmine roots. During the first few weeks after planting, water regularly to help establish the root system. The soil should remain slightly moist, but never soggy. Once established, jasmine prefers moderate watering. Allow the top inch of soil to dry before watering again. Overwatering is a common mistake and can lead to root rot and yellow leaves. In summer, especially in hot states, jasmine may need watering once or twice a week depending on rainfall. Container plants typically require more frequent watering because pots dry out faster than garden beds. Always check the soil before watering rather than following a strict schedule. Deep watering encourages stronger root development. Humidity also supports jasmine growth. In dry indoor conditions during winter, misting the plant occasionally can help maintain leaf health. If growing indoors, place jasmine near a bright window with indirect sunlight. Fertilizing jasmine helps promote lush foliage and abundant blooms. In early spring, apply a balanced fertilizer to support new growth. During the blooming season, feeding once every 4 to 6 weeks with a diluted liquid fertilizer can enhance flower production. Avoid over-fertilizing as too much nitrogen leads to excessive leaf growth and fewer blooms. Pruning plays a key role in shaping and encouraging fuller growth. After the main flowering season ends, trim back long or leggy stems. Pruning encourages branching, which results in more flower buds next season. Remove dead or weak growth regularly to maintain plant health. For climbing jasmine, guide new shoots along the support structure to create even coverage. If your jasmine stops blooming, check 3 things: sunlight exposure, fertilizer balance, and pruning timing. Insufficient light is often the main reason for reduced flowers. Move the plant to a brighter location if needed. Common problems with jasmine are usually easy to manage. Yellow leaves may indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust watering frequency and improve soil drainage if necessary. Leaf drop can occur due to sudden temperature changes or insufficient light. Pests such as aphids, spider mites, and whiteflies may occasionally appear. Inspect leaves regularly. If pests are detected, spray with water or use insecticidal soap. Keeping plants healthy and stress-free reduces pest problems significantly. For indoor growers, ensure good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Avoid wetting foliage late in the evening. Water at the base of the plant instead of overhead. Jasmine is highly versatile in landscape design. It can be grown along fences for privacy, trained over arches for romantic garden entrances, or planted in containers to decorate patios and balconies. The fragrance is strongest in the evening, making it ideal near seating areas. If you want to propagate jasmine, take softwood cuttings during spring or early summer. Place cuttings in moist potting mix and keep them in a warm, bright location. Roots usually develop within a few weeks with proper care. Jasmine can bloom repeatedly throughout the growing season. Its glossy green leaves provide year-round interest in warm climates, while its fragrant blossoms create unforgettable garden moments. Gardening success with jasmine comes down to balance. Provide bright light, maintain moderate watering, feed lightly, prune strategically, and ensure good drainage. In return, you receive a thriving, fragrant plant that enhances your outdoor space. Imagine relaxing on your porch as the sun sets, surrounded by the sweet scent of blooming jasmine drifting through the air. That simple pleasure makes the effort worthwhile. For beginners, jasmine builds confidence because it responds clearly to good care. When you adjust watering or increase sunlight, you will see visible improvement. This connection between gardener and plant creates a rewarding experience. Start with one plant if you are new. Observe how it grows, blooms, and responds to care. Soon you will feel confident expanding your jasmine collection. Your garden deserves beauty, fragrance, and life. Jasmine delivers all 3. Grow with Nature Nurture Hub. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's fill your garden with fragrance together. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.